Very good morning to all. Today we will discuss about splitting of sodium D lines. The well-known bright doublet, that is the background figure, that is which is responsible for the bright yellow light from the sodium lamp, which cause splitting of emission lines of the atomic spectra. The transition which give rise to the doublet is from 3p to 3s level, which would be the same in hydrogen atom. The fact that the 3s is lower than 3p, that is for the 3s the orbital quantum number is equal to L equal to 0, and for 3p L equal to 1. That is a very good example of the dependency of the atomic energy levels on angular momentum. The 3p level is split into states with total angular momentum J equal to 3 by 2 to J equal to 1 by 2 by the magnetic field energy of the electron spin in the presence of the internal magnetic field, not in the presence of the internal magnetic field that arises from the orbital motion. This effect is purely known as spin orbit effect. But in the presence of an additional externally applied magnetic field, these levels are further split by the magnetic interaction, showing the dependence of the energy of the total angular momentum component. This splitting is known as Zeeman effect for the sodium. And these lines from the 3p 3 by 2 to 3s half, that is a 3 by 2 to 1 by 2 line, that is, and 3p 1 by 2 to 3s lines, that is D1 and D2 lines. One has the wavelength of 588.99 nanometer and 589.59 nanometer. These are the D1 and D2 lines. And in this figure, that is the right side of this figure shows 2p 3 by 2 to 2s half lines, that is 3 by 2 to 1 by 2 transitions shows known as D2 lines, and 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 transition, that is D1 line. And here this 2 is the multiplicity, and in this left side figure, that is 3p 3 by 2 here. In this case 3 is the principal quantum number, that is n equal to 3, and in this right hand side 2 is the multiplicity. Don't confuse with these 3 and 2. And in this figure, it is clear that in the absence of the field there are only 2 lines, and but in the case of that is these 2 lines is due to the internal field, that is this field is arise from the orbital motion, and if we apply the external field, this splitting of these lines, that is D1 and D2 lines, again split into 4 and 6 components, totally 10 components. Now let us check about what is the energy separation between the energy levels, and this tabular column help you for finding the energy separation for 2s half and 2p 3 by 2 and 2p 1 by 2. For 2s half, L equal to 0 and s equal to half, J is equal to 1 by 2, and G is equal to 2. That this Landé G factor, that is G is equal to 2, that we the equation for finding the Landé G factor we have studied in the last class. Once again and repeat, G is equal to 1 plus J into J plus 1 plus S into S plus 1 minus L into L plus 1 whole divided by 2 J into J plus 1. Sorry. Using this equation, we have to find out the G value. For 2s 1 by 2, this G value is 2, and for the case of 2p 1 by 2, the G value is 2 by 3, and for 2p 3 by 2, this G value is 4 by 3. And the values for the Mj corresponding to J is equal to half, half and minus half, and for Mj is for the 3 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. And this product of these two terms, that is G and Mj, this will help to find out the energy level, and that is Mj value, Mj G value. For the case of 2s half, Mjg is equal to 1 and minus 1, and for 2p 1 by 2 this 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3, and 2p 3 by 2 this mjg value 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 and minus 2. And the energy of the 2s half level corresponding to mjg equal to 1. We know that the interaction energy delta E is equal to mu B mjg, and we have find out this mjg value. Substitute this mjg value here, that is mjg equal to 1. So the interaction energy delta E equal to mu B. So for the 2s half level, this energy is E0 plus mu B, and the same for the mjg equal to minus 1. This value E0 equal to E0 minus mu B. So obviously the separation between the energy level is 2 mu B, that is mu B of 1 plus 1. So that is 2 mu B. And similarly the case for the 2p 1 by 2 levels. In this case we will get 2 by 3 mu B as the separation. And the case for the 2p 3 by 2 levels, there are 4 levels, not 2. I mistakenly wrote here there are 2p 3 by 2 levels, not correct. Here there are 4 2p 3 by 2 levels. Obviously there are 3 spacings, and not that all the 3 spacings are equally spaced, that is 4 by 3 mu BB. That is all the 3 spacings are equal. And in this figure, that is D1 and D2 lines, that is D1 lines 2p 1 by 2 to 2s 1 by 2 line, that is D1 lines. And in the presence of the field, externally applied field, it is split into 4 lines. That is 2p 1 by 2 split up into 2, and 2s 1 by 2 also split up into 2. And according to selection rule, we will get 4 lines, that are 4 components. For in the case of the 2p 3 by 2 to 2s 1 by 2 transition, we will get D2 lines, and in that case 2p 3 by 2 level split up into 4 levels. For the 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. And same here according to selection rule, we will get 6 transitions. Selection rule delta ml equal to 0 plus or minus 1. For delta ml equal to 0, we will get pi lines, and for delta ml equal to plus or minus 1, we will get sigma lines. And in this figure, it is clear that the separation between the energy levels of 2p 1 by 2, that is 2 by 3 mu BB, and for the 2s 1 by 2, that is 2 mu B. And in the case of 2p 3 by 2, that is 4 by 3 mu BB. Thus, sodium D1 has 4 lines and D2 has 6 lines. Thus, totally 10 lines in the presence of the externally applied magnetic field. Thank you.